Hello people, so today we solve a LeetCode daily question, that is 241 different ways to add parentheses, and in this we'll be given a string expression of numbers and operators, and we have to return all possible results from computing all different possible ways to form group two ways to group numbers and operators, and we can return the answer in any order, and the test cases are generated in such a way that the output values fit in the 32-bit integer. Okay, so we're given the expression as 2 minus 1 minus 1, so we have to solve the expression in such a way, and how many ways we can basically bisect this uh, expression so that we can get different answers. Okay, so firstly what we can do is we can pick up 2 minus 1, so that will give me 1, and then what I can do is with that remaining 1 I can do 1 minus 1, which will become 0. So that's one of my answer which I can get. Otherwise what I can do is I can pick 1 minus 1, so that will become 0, then 2 minus 0, and that will become 2. So that's why I'm just having two answers which are 0 and 2. So this is how I have to tell that in how many ways I can break uh, the expression so that I'll be having different answers. Okay, basically not the number of ways but are the different answers which I'm getting. This is what I have to tell. Okay, so by now you have got an idea. So in this we have to generate all possible ways, and for that we can use the recursive solution as well, but I'll be doing a memoized one. Just remove the memoization one and it will get accepted because the length of the string is expression is just 20, and so it won't be an issue. Okay, so firstly let's have a list of integer, and here it's going to be a 2D array, and that's equal to a new array list of size, let's have expression size expression and that is equal to expression dot length. Okay, let's have n cross n matrix or a array list, matrix of array list basically. Okay, and let's just return it directly. Find ways, let's call it this, and here I forgot to give it a name. Let's give it dp only, and we'll be starting we'll be passing in the expression, the dp array, the starting index and the last index. Basically we let's just assume we have to add parentheses in that expression. Let's just do it in -1. Just a second. Oh yes, okay, so we are back, and now let's just quickly write this function, and this will be the return type will be a list of integer. And now what basically we can the name of the function, that is find base, and we are having the string, let's call it s only. The list of integer, uh, which is a 2D array, let's call it dp, and starting index and int ending index. Okay, so firstly let's have the base case, that if it's not null, that if dp of and sorry start and end, basically we are breaking down this particular part already. If it's not equal to null, we'll be returning the dp of start end. Okay, and let's have a list of integer, let's say its answer, so that is equal to new array list. And now let's start breaking down the okay, firstly the base case, that we are having just a single digit, so in that case if start is equal to end, what we'll be doing is I'll be doing answer dot add uh, s dot char at 0 minus the character 0, and I'll be returning answer directly. We don't have to break it down further. Okay, but in the edge case, we are, let's say we are having a two-digit number, so if uh, n minus start, so that will be equal to 1. Then again we'll be combining this particular two-digit number, so that will be let's call it the number at the tens position, that will be equal to s dot char at 1 0 1, yeah, char at start basically minus 0. Then similarly for the ones, it will be present at end 0 once, and we'll be doing a result dot add answer dot add tens into 10 plus ones, and here we'll return the answer lists again. Okay, so now what basically we have to do is we'll be start breaking down, like for example we can keep this expression, then we can broke down this expression, then we can keep this expression together and break down this expression. So this is how we'll be doing. Basically we'll be breaking at every point where we have a character and post character, and that pre-character results will be computed. Okay, so let's have for int I equal to start, I is less than or equal to and I plus plus. Okay, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be having the current character, so that will be equal to s dot char at I, and we'll be checking that if it is a digit we cannot break. So if character dot is digit current, I'll be just doing continue, otherwise I'll have to break. So firstly let's have a list of integer, so that will be equal to left side results, basically where we'll be computing the results of its left side. For that we'll be doing a recursive call to find ways, and this will be passing s, the dp array, the start index, and I minus 1, because till there we can break. Now similarly we'll be having the right results as well, so let's call it right side result, right side result, so sdp, and here it will be I plus 1 and so on to end. Okay, so now we are having the expressions from the both left side and right side. So what we'll be doing is we'll be traversing, we have now basically combined the answer list, and for that we'll be doing is for int left in left side result, let's call it results, here also an s, and similarly that for int right in right side results, what I'll be doing is I'll be checking, basically now I have to just compute for the character. I'll be checking that if my current character is equal to a plus, I'll have to add both, uh, I'll be doing answer dot add left plus right. Similarly else if my current is equal to a minus character, I'll be doing answer dot add left minus right, else it's going to be multiply only, so I'll be doing answer dot add left into right. Okay, and after that I'll be having the result and I'll be returning, I guess this we went out of the function, so I'll be returning that dp of start and end, so that is equal to my answer. And now let's give it a run. Okay, compiler just now let's give it a run. I comma I plus 1, let's give it a run again. I'm sorry for late, today's video is going out to be late. Okay, it goes to minus 2. Where I made a mistake, I'll have to check for it. Just a second. Left in left side results, right and right side results is dpi plus 1, and then end I should be less than or equal to end I plus plus. Yes, so there was a 10 into 10 plus 1 I dot caret index minus 0. Okay, I'll just find the mistake and get back. Okay, so I found that here it should be s dot caret started, not 0. Just a bad thing. Now let's give it a run again, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.